Good morning, everybody. We're going to get started in 9 minutes. Let's like up the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, guys. Hello to those who have just joined. We will start in 7 minutes. Let's like up the stream, get some comments, questions, all that great stuff. All right. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. What up, guys? To those who joined, let's like up the stream. We got 30 people in here and 5 likes. Come on, come on, come on. It's $0 to do it. Good morning, guys, to those who joined. What up, what up, what up? We will get started right this minute. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What is everybody up to? Before we start, make sure you've liked up the stream. It is extremely important, otherwise the stream will cut off. So you have to like it, otherwise you will lose connection and you will not be able to listen. Wait for $1 break. IPA was a pump and dump by the look of it. Pump and dump. Nothing yet. Hello, Mr. Totes is always here early and ready as we always expect. Welcome, Mr. Totes. What up? Gonna go through Twitter and then I'm gonna go through Discord, chart requests, and then I'll get to you guys. Okay. INTR, what do we notice? We are in a bullish uptrend. What do we notice? We have a 4-hour gap fill. This is a possibility that the stock can come and fill this gap. This is a bullish sign. I expect it to fill the gap. If you wanted to now, feel free to do so. Make sure you have a stop loss and make sure you have a target. The end. Has a 4-hour gap fill. Looks good. I like this. INTR looks fantastic. I like this one. Right, what is the next one? INTR. Okay, someone asked me for the SPY. Someone asked me for the SPY, the SPY, the SPY. The SPY is extremely bullish. We are cooking on high heat. The SPY is at a big level here. 607. Huge level here. SPY is at a big level. All right, SPY at huge level here. Hopefully this goes. Hopefully it pushes. Lets the market get going. We have IWM. What's happening with IWM? We have broken out of a resistance, which is fantastic, which is 227. As you can see right here, we have broken out of resistance, which gives a strong bullish move to the upside, which you can see right now. However, I think it will pull back, to be honest with you. I'm sure we have some news this week, as we probably always do, or Trump speaking, from what I remember. Usually does happen with the first week of inauguration. Now we have, this is my prediction. We have this, this, and this. This is my prediction for IWM. Let's have a look and see what happens this week. IWM prediction. This runs the small caps. This is the small caps ETF. We have IWM setup. This is for the option crew in the Discord. Hello, hello, hello. Goodness, I see everybody's questions. Keep them coming in. I will get to you guys all in a minute. Just bear with me, all right? Just bear with me. I am just going through all of this stuff. KWR, IPA, RVSN, done this, done this, done this, done this, done this. RVSN key points. We go to RVSN, which is right here. What do we see? RVSN key levels. We have the high here. We can use this if you want, which is $3.17. I'm just going to make some quick levels here for you guys. So you have it on watch, and then you have here 158. What is this? Yesterday was a bit of a slow day, to be honest with you. Hassie kind of helped me with took one of his trades that boosted me up. Or green yesterday, but I sold one at break even. The other one was okay. It was just a little bit slow. These are your key levels for RVSN. I do not own Fubo for a swing. Somebody asked me. No, I'm just posting it because people ask about it every single day. Just because I'm posting it, it doesn't mean I'm in the stock, right? Just sharing the setup, and the setup is still bullish. This RGTI, all of the quantum stocks are bullish. They are long-term plays. You hold them for at least 6 months to at least 5, 10, 20 years, whatever you decide. These are long-term plays. You do not add to it every single day. You don't look at it every single day. All right, you take a different approach to trading when you are taking swing trades. Hello, hello, hello. RVSN is interesting. Yes, it is. ASST. In my opinion, ASST will reverse at some point. It had too strong of a day yesterday for it not to to push up, in my opinion. It just needs to hold this $1. Hopefully it does, or might just dip underneath and reclaim it. But yeah, right now you need 177 break. It looks like it's trying to reverse, but you could also, if you want to really have to take an entry for some reason, you can wait for the downtrend break. So ASST, wait for a downtrend break to enter. All right, downtrend break equals entries. No downtrend break equals no entries. It's easy and simple as that. Rightio, rightio, rightio. 9 for a swing trade. Somebody asked me about this last week. I don't know who it was, but it is very bullish from what I remember. Yeah, it is. It has a nice wick fill here. Yes, it is bullish. In my opinion, if you're looking for an entry, wait for 178 for continuation to at least this 197 wick fill, expecting this to break this level. So 178 break, we'll send the wick fill. So what is this? 178 break equals entries to fill 197 wick. All right. So 9, you can watch it. I'll put it on my watch list here just to keep an eye on it for those who are interested in it. 9 is over here. We have it here like this. I wish I could do a couple more colors, but Weeble is weak with that. With that kind of stuff, unfortunately. What you see is what you get. I got a low price after drilling. Nice, nice, nice. I hope you are still in it, and I hope you are making a lot of money. Load. What's happening with load? So load, if we're looking on the 4-hour, we are still in a downtrend. I personally don't like this. Maybe it's breaking this resistance right here. 0.35. What's that? Yeah, around here is your resistance. Let me just change the color here. Let's do it like this. So we have 0.35, that's a big psychological level. If we close and hold above this, which it is looking like it's doing, I'm not too sure what the sell-off was this an offering or some kind of bad news? But yeah, you have a lot of range to the upside. If you're looking for an entry on this, which I'm assuming you are, it needs to break above 0.4 basically. All right, so load, wait for... Oh no, it needs to hold. Needs to hold. When I say it needs to hold, it means the stock needs to close above 0.35. If it closes above, that is a good opportunity and good confirmation that it will continue to go up. How high, I don't know. I can just tell you that I aim for 5% when I'm in a stock. That is it. I'm a realistic trader. If it goes more than 5%, I still have at least 30 to at least 50% of my position, expecting it to continue to go up. If not, I get stopped out at my break even. So we have RX, RX right here. RX, RX, key levels. This is bullish, looks fantastic. I actually like this stock. Good luck if you are in it. CDIO, CDIO, CDIO. What's happening with CDIO? CDIO, what's happening here? 1 hour, 5 minute. CDIO, there's absolutely nothing on this. Maybe above $1. I don't see anything on this yet, unfortunately. EONR coming back. Somebody asked me about this earlier. One of our Discord members did. You could say it is possibly bullish, but I need more confirmation for this. I don't really like a play like this, but it is a formal runner, so you could keep it on watch if you would like to. Right, let's like up the stream. How many people are on here? Let me just retweet the link. Guys, retweet the link as well. Let's get some people in here. Cost you 0. What up, Mr. Fig? Next entry on SON. SOUN you hold for long term. Okay, that means you buy it now and you leave it. You leave it in there for 6 months, 2 years, 5 years, whatever you decide. You buy it and you add to your position every week, every month, whatever you decide. These are long-term stocks. The sector is a bullish sector in my opinion. I have these for the long term. So if you enter now, you enter now. If you want to wait, you can wait. RVSN is looking great. RVSN breaks as high at 115, should be good for entries. WCT. WCT. I see absolutely nothing on WCT at the moment. All I can tell you is that you have a major resistance right here. What is this level around here? Like 208 is your major resistance. A lot of rejection around here. Then you got room to, what is this? 260, yeah, 260. So I'd wait for 208 WCT, wait for 208 break. I don't know what you've seen this. Is there news coming? I'm assuming that's why you're asking, but yeah, at the moment, nothing. I'm looking at GTI position, no problem. Yeah, RGTI, very bullish sector as well. Looks great. I like it. It should continue to go. RGTI, I'm looking for a GC spot down position. Thoughts on USCG, please. USCG is good. I mean, it's just running investor market, I think. I don't know. It's sort of so wild, to be honest. What just happened on this thing? Did they drop an offering? They dropped an offering. Don't touch this thing. UCG trash. UCEG trash. Yeah, terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. All right, hello, where do you see DJT going? DJT is it's a trash stock. It's just going to run with whatever Trump's doing. In my opinion, there's no point in trading this or holding it long term. I don't think about the company, but it only runs when there is pretty much a build up to whatever Trump's going on about or talking about it. In my opinion, I would just leave it and ignore it. There is nothing on it. That's my feedback, to be honest. Maybe support here at $33, but other than that, I don't see any potential in the stock at all. It's kind of just a pump and dump, to be honest with you. Same as DATS, all of them. But if you believe in the company and you like it, feel free to go and get in. Right, QTUM. Thank you for those who are retweeting it. I see you guys posting on Twitter. I appreciate you guys for sharing that. It helps a lot. Even if you have 0 followers, I don't care. Shows that you are supporting. That's all we care about. Needs 86. Is this the quantum ETF? Yeah, it is. All the sound familiar. Done for quantum stocks. Yes. RVSN is here. RVSN is here. RVSN is here. If this breaks 115, in my opinion, it would be nice for entries. If it breaks above 115, you can look for an entry. That's what I would suggest to do. Hope we're getting a nice move. Ecore and Oklo. Oklo was nothing on that. Ecore, very, very, very low volume. Something like this on Ecore as well. It's kind of lost its support level. For continuation, it needs $18. I don't really know how to trade something like this when there's a lack of volume, but based on technicals, in order for this to be bullish and worth entries, I would say that you need to close above $18. That's all I would really tell you. There's no bullish chart pattern or anything like that. Maybe I can try and make it as bullish as I can. Maybe a possible bullish pennant here. Yeah, it's just difficult at the moment. Like this, maybe something like that. Right, Ecore bullish. Oh wow, they both dropped offerings. I thought it was kind of weird because the market was also pushing and oil was pushing. So when these companies make a little money, they just dump it. Okay, LO, Oklo, we have 4%. Oklo, yeah, Oklo is very, very bullish. This is a great stock. Here you go, 36 and 40. Cosm. Right, guys, how many people can like the stream up? Let's see. Is anybody gonna like it up? If you haven't, create an account and do it. It takes 2 seconds. Or just log into your account and do it. Trust me, it helps us a lot. These are your key levels on Cosm. For me, there's nothing on it. Daily key levels. I had to go to the daily because there was absolutely no volume on the smaller time frames. Okay, how many people we got here? 80 people, and we have, how many likes we got here? 30 likes. Come on, guys. Half of you. Half of you. Half of you. Not even half of you. Less than half of you. NUKK. So NUKK on the 4-hour time frame is nothing. I would wait for $44.30 to take an entry. If you want to enter now, feel free, but there is no reason for you to enter now as I don't see a bullish setup. Wait for 44.30 to enter. Just save this chart. There's a larger cap stock. It will take some time unless there's some crazy news that will push this thing over. Like the stream. That's right, Mr. Franklin. Thank you for mentioning that. I got a 9. Nice. Well done. Holston, just make sure you have a target in mind and take some profits. And then when you take some profits, make sure that you are, scaling out the rest when you are happy. That's how I suggest it. MOBX. Not really anything on this for me personally. It's still in the bearish trend. Low volume. I don't see anything yet. I know it's up 16%, but overall the trend on larger time frame is still bearish. Still very bearish like this. So yeah, at the moment, just wait for this downtrend break. So this is MOBX. Wait for downtrend break. Needs to hold $1. $1, as we all know, is a big psychological level. $5, $6, $20, $100 psychological levels. NUKK, I've done it. People keep spamming me about it. What's going on with NUKK? Yeah, I don't know. Nothing's going on. What determines whether stock breaks resistance and where the resistance is? What determines it? Well, determines it is when a candle body closes above. This is a resistance. You have a lot of rejection here. 1, 2 strong wicks from the top are coming down. This shows that there is a lot of selling pressure and that this is a strong air resistance. To confirm a breakout, this means that the candle body needs to close above. The yellow part is the candle body, as you can see, and the white part is the wick. Same thing as this, right? This is the wick, there's the candle body. Candle body closes above. Has any candle body closed above here since? Nothing. Wick rejection, rejection, not closed above, rejection, rejection. This means if the candle body closes above, this confirms a breakout. Now there is a high probability for the stock to go up. This is not a breakout. It is a fake out like it has done numerous amount of times here. So if the body closes above, that confirms a breakout. Now the trend is going from bearish trend to bullish. Damn, there's a Nook bag holders. Yeah, I know, right? STFS. Someone asked me about this a few weeks ago. Down 86%. I'm not even going to bother talking about that one. Carlos, you be the judge, my friend. Deck is breaking out of this bullish pennant that we have on the daily chart right here. Very nice. Yes, I've gone through a wick. Wow, wow. Police are going to come at me. What do I do? 220. These are just the next key levels. I just like to use 235. Oops. All right, these can be your next key levels on deck. All right, deck key levels. PLTR, like the stock long term. Very nice stock. However, based on the 4-hour, looks like we are breaking out. Very nice, looks good. Candle closed above, great. Maybe it will do this since it's broken above. Retest here to continue to go to the upside. I hope if you're in it that you are going to hold this and expect continuation. Now I'll give you the next key levels, which are here at 84.80 and then whatever this resistance is here. These are the levels here because we've had a lot of rejection down, a lot of rejection down. Right, so this is $80 actually. Let's put this at 85 just to make it easy for you. There you go. All right. These are this is my prediction for PLTR prediction. Would be good for calls if you take options. That's my opinion. Just liked it. Thank you, Alice. I appreciate it. ASSD trying to cook back up. Did I make it go up? Candle closed above. It's rejecting VWAP. Yeah, it's rejecting VWAP. I thought so. VWAP is in the way. VWAP is in the way on this one. Need a break above. Like it up, like it up. Yes, give it a like. Thank you, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. OPTX, what's happening here? OPTX has no volume, still in downtrend. I personally would just avoid this. If you're looking for an entry, yeah, it's difficult right now. There's no sign of a reversal yet, to be honest. So this is OPTX, wait for downtrend break. Cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. RGTI is right here. RGTI is bullish. This is a long-term sector. As I mentioned, every time someone asks me about it, this is a stock that you hold for at least 6 months to 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 years, or whenever you are happy to take your profits. This is a bullish sector. AI, computing, quantum, that whole sector is bullish in my opinion. It's the future of the world. Whether it's behind or not, that is my honest opinion. NEHC, wait for 518 to look for an entry. Other than that, I wouldn't take an entry right now because it's bearish. It's in a downtrend. There is no sign of reversal, so I would not take an entry on this. This is your next key levels on this, 6.3. Right over here on NEHC. So NEHC needs 518 break for entries. Cool, got it, nice. Anything on leads? Leads, we have nothing on this yesterday, like pumping down pretty much. Yeah, leads, there's nothing on leads. I would just avoid it, to be honest. Maybe above here, if you can look for an entry above this. What is this, 181? But yeah, I don't really like the stock. It didn't hold any continuation yesterday. Right, LEDS. What is the next one? We have Kraken. Kraken is nothing. Kraken needs to close above 0.151. Kraken 0.151 equals entries. Right. CCJ. What's happening with CCJ? CCJ is pushing up, looks good. $50. Kamiko. I'm not too sure what this is, but you're in it. I'll just give you key levels on this. Right now it's bullish, strong uptrend. I have a lot of room to the upside on this. I'll give you the rest of your key levels. There's one more right over here. All right. So these are your key levels for CCJ. Key levels. Bullish chart. Looks great. Like it. Hopefully it keeps going up for you. RZLV. What's happening with RZLV? RZLV is breaking this resistance. This is great. I like it. Where is this play? Do I have it on my watch list? It's somewhere here. I don't know why it's not here, but let me just add it. RZLV. AI theme. This is AI theme. AI. Dylan put it in the Discord. All right, cool. All right, RZLV looks great. Breaking out, looks nice. SOUN should probably follow this. RZLV. I like the stock. I would watch it for today. I'll wait and look for my entries once market does open. How's Hollow looking? Probably not good as usual. Yeah, Hollow's nothing. Maybe reversal soon. I don't know, but I don't see any potential yet on this, unfortunately. I wish it does reverse for those who are in it, but at the moment, there's nothing I see. Sorry. BLBX looks great. I expect continuation on this. It should continue to go up if it breaks this level here. 345 looks nice. Have a lot of potential to the upside on this. Definitely keep it on watch. Looks bullish. I expect it to go. Possible bullish pennant. That is a continuation pattern. Strong uptrend from the left side. And now you are going like this to push to the upside. Let's see. So BLBX bullish pennant. All right, look it up on YouTube, Google, or whatever, or you could take my word for it and that it's a continuation pattern. The fact that it came from a strong uptrend to this, you expect price to go up. However, if it came in the inverse, like this, where it came from a downtrend, then like this, like this, then you expect it to go down and retest and down. So this is what the pattern would look like if it was bearish. Let's just say like this, and then like this, right? Something like this. Yes, my drawing is not great, but I'm just trying to show you quickly what it is. See this? This is a bearish pennant. The reason why this is bearish is only one thing and one thing only. That is the downtrend from here. Now, if it was flipped the other way, this means that it would be bullish. So if the pennant was like this, it's bullish. Like this, it's bearish. Cool, got it. Nice trick. Thanks, Tiger. ASST needs to get above that level or hold $1. Where is ASST? ASST needs to get above VWAP if you want to look for an entry. It's close. Just wait for VWAP. That's my personal opinion. FIO updates, PHIO, nothing on this, low volume. Yeah, nothing unless $4, I guess, or risky entries above $3, $3.10. Did ASST, it did break downtrend, but it needs to get above VWAP. I personally would only wait for it if it couldn't get above VWAP. BKYI hasn't changed in the last few weeks. BKYI, wait for 253 break for entries. All right, if it doesn't break 253, then you do not take entries. If you want to enter now, then don't be upset if it doesn't go. All right, simple as that. NIVF, what's happening here? NIVF is cooking. Nope. NIVF, no good, man. Someone asks me about this every day. I feel bad for the person, but I hope they just cut it at some point. But NIVF needs to break downtrend for entries. All right, right now bearish. Not great, not great, not great. BRMA. Guys, anybody got some questions? Any questions about BRMA? I don't have BRMA on here. BMRA, I'm assuming you mean. BMRA, you can wait for maybe a break above this downtrend like this. The moment it doesn't look too pretty. Like that. Yeah, nothing yet on BMRA. BMRA, wait for downtrend break. Breaks downtrend, then you should be good. But I just wouldn't enter now because it's very, very difficult to trade something that's in a downtrend because you're basically going to try and predict that you've caught the bottom, which is difficult. IPA maybe bounced back. From what I saw, didn't have any potential, or was it reversing? Oh yeah, here. You could wait for VWAP. You could wait for this here. This will change since it's volume weighted, but you're just gonna have to wait. Wait for VWAP. That's what I would do. All right, we have MDAI Lobo, MDAI Lobo, MDIA Lobo. MDIA up 17%. This is a good one to keep on watch. 6% yesterday, 17% today. I'll give you your key levels on this since this is pushing up. And if you are in it, these will be your next key levels. It's 270 on this. Yeah, this looks good. I like it. It's broken this high as well. Didn't break this low. Should continue to go up, making higher highs, higher lows. Bullish chart. Yeah, I like this. Keep this one on watch for those who are trading it. Any of you GOVX, what's happening GOVX? GOVX, there's nothing on this. I think this is the play that runs with monkeypox, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I don't see anything on this, unfortunately. Look, right now the stock is just ranging. It's very, very difficult to trade something that's ranging because there's no trend. Well, the trend is ranging, but I mean in terms of the actual stock being bullish or bearish, it's difficult to identify what's going on. So I would just wait. All right. XHG, nothing on this. Yeah, nothing. 118 maybe. I also did power yesterday, but never seems to be hitting for it today. Yeah, power was weird. I don't know what's happening. DATS needs to, I mean, you're in a, it's difficult here. I don't really like this stock, to be honest. Could be a possible bullish pennant because you had a strong trend, but then you had a strong sell-off. So I would usually focus on what the most recent trend was, which was bearish here. Yes, that's bullish, but I'm talking about the huge sell-off here. So I would say it's a bearish pennant, expecting it to break down. Like and share. You are correct. I got an RZLV, not going off tails, but business. If Trump makes a critical reserve with religion with crypto more. RZLV is not, is AI theme. Yeah, it's just going off. I saw they had some news. I saw someone put it in Twitter on in the Discord. I don't know if you saw a question earlier, but what do you think of Stargate, which will put 500 billions into? Yeah, you asked me about that earlier. I did go over it. We'll put 500 billion into AI stocks. Yeah, in my opinion, AI theme is bullish. That's all I can tell you. It means that I expect it to go up. It's a long-term play, as I keep saying every 5 minutes. If you like AI, if you like quantum, these are all connected together. This is the future, in my opinion. Whether you want to buy it for long term or you want to day trade it, up to you. I think it's a great long-term investment. That's it. Up to you what you decide. Do you trade? No, I do not trade. I just stare at my screen posting charts all day. IRBT, nothing on this, unfortunately. You're in a downtrend at the moment. I would just wait for the downtrend break because right now it's difficult to trade something that's in a downtrend like this. IRBT in a downtrend. That's what I'll tell you, which means it's bearish, sellers in a troll. Do you trade pre-market as much intraday? No, I do not. I trade pre-market. I take maybe 1 or 2 trades. I start from like 6 a.m. to actually take my trades, but I share setups from pre-market open in the Discord. 6 a.m. Why 6 a.m.? Because that's where I have the best, where I notice there is the most volume, where the best setups are, and that's what I think, in my opinion, is the best time to trade. 6, 7 a.m. is the best time to trade in pre-market, in my opinion. That's when most people are able to trade. That's when the volume starts to come in, and that's when I expect plays to run. That is it. But no, I focus on intraday. I only take maximum maybe... I don't really take many trades a day, to be honest with you. I focus on quality over quantity. I take maximum like 4 trades a day. BTCT prediction runs with Bitcoin, so we'll see what happens with Bitcoin. RZLV does crypto. Perfect. Okay, yes. So then, yeah, if that is it, that's a good sector to be in. Yeah, cool. You teach online course in Discord? Yes. In the Discord, I have everything, both myself and Hassi in the Discord together. I give you exactly why I take the trade. I give you exact reasonings why I get into my trades every single time. My strategy is there. I give you every single strategy I have. All you have to do is watch the videos, take time to learn and practice it. You have the risk management plan, you have the live trading, you have the swing setups, you have the daily alerts with stop loss targets, all that kind of stuff. So everything is there in the Discord. Twitter, I just share charts, and this I'm just showing you how I trade and basically teaching you some of the basics that I do when I'm trading. But live trading is full, proper education. It's pretty much a seminar every single day, which are recorded. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord now. We do a break. There is no Telegram. Someone messaged me today. It is annoying that there are so many stupid bots under my posts. There is nothing I can do, unfortunately. All right. The only thing I can do is on here is just tell you guys that I do not have a Telegram. I do not have a WhatsApp. Read my pinned tweet. It's there. It should be clear as day. This is the only link to Discord. You go through WAP. Once you choose the 1 or 3 month tier, you then claim your Discord access. You will then have access to the Discord where we do the live trading, where we give the alerts, setups, all that education. And also most of the seminars and pretty much all the seminars are on your WAP portal, which is organized from episode 1 to episode 5. There are more coming in the future, but they are organized in an order that you should learn trading, which is risk management, support and resistance. Then you understand how to trade properly, the basics, understand candlesticks, then you understand the strategies that myself and Hassi teach. All right. If you want to join, the link is there. I hope you guys have a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.